Breaking the ice. Understanding the phrase, break the frost. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, break the frost. Often, we encounter phrases that don't make much sense when translated directly. This video aims to demystify this phrase, making it easier for you to use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Break the frost is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to initiate social interaction in a cold or formal atmosphere. Imagine entering a room where no one is talking. It feels a bit chilly, right? Not in terms of temperature, but socially. So, when someone starts a conversation, tells a joke, or introduces themselves, they break the frost. They make the environment more comfortable and friendly. The phrase likely originated from the literal act of breaking ice or frost to access something beneath it. Over time, it gained a metaphorical meaning. Breaking ice or frost can take effort, just like initiating conversation in a quiet or new group. It's about overcoming barriers to create warmth and openness. Let's see how you can incorporate this phrase into your speech. Here are a few examples. 1. When I saw everyone was quiet, I decided to break the frost by asking about their weekend plans. 2. The new manager broke the frost at the meeting with a funny anecdote. 3. Sometimes, a simple smile is enough to break the frost in a tense room. There are other expressions with similar meanings. For example, break the ice is more commonly used and has the same connotation. Another one is warm up the room, which also suggests making a social setting more comfortable and friendly. Understanding phrases like break the frost not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase confidently. Keep exploring, and happy learning!